that domestic and family violence includes a range of behaviours, including physical abuse, but also verbal and emotional abuse, financial and social abuse, sexual violence, and coercive control. Did you know that domestic and family violence is a national issue, but it affects women at significantly higher rates than it does men? As of 2019, 1 in 6 women and 1 in 16 men had been affected by violence since the age of 15. Did you know that domestic and family violence impacts the fundamental human rights of children and families to live in safety and security? Did you know that sometimes women may stay in an abusive relationship because it's the safest option for herself and her children? Leaving a relationship doesn't automatically stop the violence, and sometimes risk can actually increase. Did you know that there is a significant overlap between domestic violence and child abuse? For children growing up with violence, the impacts can be significant and long-lasting, impacting their health, well-being, education, relationships, and housing outcomes. Did you know that domestic and family violence is one of the leading causes of homelessness? Did you know that DV-related trauma in children may present in a range of ways: agitated behaviours, frightening dreams, internalising or externalising behaviours? Sometimes these symptoms might even present similar to those of ADHD or autism. Did you know that using violence towards another parent impacts their parenting ability and therefore does impact the children? Children's relationship with the non-abusive parent is often undermined by these behaviours. Did you know that women in violent relationships are considered as competent or more competent in their parenting than those who are in non-violent relationships? They are doing all the daily parenting tasks amidst and despite the violence they are experiencing. Did you know that all Act for Kids intensive family support services and Family and Child Connect programs have specialist domestic and family violence practitioners in their teams to help them tackle the challenges of domestic and family violence? Did you know that Act for Kids adopts the Safe and Together model? This means that we're working to keep the children safe and together with the non-offending parent. Our goal is to partner with the non-offending parent to meet the children's needs, and where possible, we're intervening with the perpetrator to reduce the risk of harm towards children. Did you know that when your specialist domestic and family violence practitioner is not working alongside families or their colleagues in the intensive family support services and Family and Child Connect programs, we are out in the community raising awareness about domestic and family violence, presenting training and partnering with our community agencies to end domestic and family violence. Please join us this DV Prevention Month to say no to DV.